Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help make your life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bumkins Reusable Sandwich and Snack Bags, which we think are the best Bumkins snack bags for kids and adults alike. These reusable bags are perfect for lunchboxes, snack time, and so much more. Bumkins has designed these snack bags with both function and sustainability in mind. Made from their signature waterproof fabric, these bags feature a zippered closure that keeps your items securely stored. The material is 100% polyester with embedded TPU for waterproofing, which means you can store your snacks and food without worrying about leaks. They're not fully leak-proof, but they do an excellent job at keeping moisture in check, making them ideal for snacks and lunches. What sets these snack bags apart is their versatility. While they are designed for food, they can also be used for a variety of other purposes. Organize your purse, diaper bag, or travel bag by storing small items like pacifiers, cosmetics, or even electronics. They come in a convenient 4-pack, giving you plenty of options to keep everything neat and tidy. These bags are incredibly easy to clean. They're machine washable and dishwasher safe, which means they're a breeze to maintain. Simply turn them inside out and toss them in the top rack of your dishwasher. To prolong their life, it's recommended to air dry them after washing. The single-ply fabric construction also means there are no hidden layers where dirt and germs can hide, which is a big plus when you're using them for food storage. One of the main selling points of these snack bags is their eco-friendly design. Instead of relying on disposable plastic bags that contribute to environmental waste, Bumkins offers a reusable solution. You can keep using them over and over, reducing your overall waste. This not only benefits the planet, but it also saves you money in the long run, making it an investment that pays off. Bumkins also ensures that these bags meet high safety standards. They are tested for BPA, lead, and phthalate to ensure that they are safe for you and your family to use. This gives peace of mind knowing that the materials used are free from harmful substances. To wrap up, the Bumkins Reusable Sandwich and Snack Bags are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a practical, eco-friendly, and reliable solution for food storage. They are durable, easy to clean, and safe to use, making them the best choice for both kids and adults. Whether you're packing lunch for your little ones or organizing small items for travel, these bags are a must-have. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and stay tuned for more product reviews to make your life easier.